Depolarization is when calcium comes in through the calcium channels. And repolarization is when potassium comes out of the potassium channels, and acetylcholine goes down to the axon.
Calcium goes.
And then calcium
Comes in.
comes in, and then acetylcholine jumps to the node.
Okay, so depolarization is when sodium comes in through the sodium channels, sodium ion channels, and acetylcholine moves down the neuron. And then repolarization, potassium moves out of the potassium channels, and then calcium floods into our neuron, and acetylcholine jumps the synapse.
Depolarization is when the sodium moves into the cell, and then it repolarizes when the potassium comes out.
And calcium comes in and makes it jump.
Depolarization is when the sodium comes into the cell. Repolarization is when the potassium goes out of it. And then the calcium comes in, and it gets out.
Depolarization is when sodium comes in the cell, and then repolarization is when potassium leaves the neuron, and then calcium attaches to him so he can go to the next one.
And then depolarization, sodium goes into the cell, and then the neuron, or the acetylcholine, and then potassium flows out with repolarization, and then the calcium flows in, and it moves to the muscle cell.
Which allows it to move.